Hi friends, welcome to Google Tech. இந்த சேனலை இன்னும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க கீழே உள்ள சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அண்ட் கூட உள்ள பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸோ டுடே ஸ்மார்ட் ஃபோன் லேப்டாப்னு இல்லாமல் அண்டர் 10,000 பட்ஜெட்டில் உள்ள பெஸ்ட் கேமராஸை பற்றி தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். வீடியோ ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் ஃபுல்லாக பாருங்கள். அண்ட் வியூவர்ஸுக்கு ஒன்று சொல்லிக்கிறேன், இந்த கேமராஸில் நீங்கள் ஏதாச்சும் ஒன்று வாங்கணும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா கீழே ஒரு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் லிங்க் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், லிங்க்கை ஓப்பன் பண்ணி ஆர்டர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
This is the Instax Mini 9. It's super cute and delivers even cuter snaps in seconds. Grab yourself a Mini 9. There's so many colours to choose from. Rip open a pack of Instax Mini film. Batteries go in the side, film goes in the back. Press the little button on the front to turn it on. To turn it off, just push the lens in. On, off, on. Simple. Don't panic. The first shot will be a black piece of plastic. It's just the protective cover. Then your Mini 9 is ready to take a snap. Let's do it. When the camera is on, you'll see a little orange light next to the lens. The Mini 9 is super smart. It figures out the best lighting for your photo, so you don't have to. Just twist the dial and match the dot to the light, and take the perfect snap every time. You can't take a shot if the light is blinking. When you take a photo, this number will go down. When it says 0, it's time to change the film. For amazing close-up shots, use this lens. Then look through the viewfinder and position the O marker a little over to the right, above what you're taking a photo of. For the perfect selfie, always, hold the camera up in front of you, arms straight, and make sure you can see yourself in the selfie mirror. Choose the high key mode for a softer, brighter look. Great for flawless selfies and portraits. It's super flattering. It's also pretty good for when you're in front of a bright light or the sun. There's so many ways to display your mini photos. Scrapbooks make the perfect prezi for mates. And if you want to get really creative, try out all of the awesome deco film styles.
Impress your friends and family with the high-quality images and videos that this Canon compact camera produces. The 20-megapixel sensor delivers outstanding images and can shoot high-definition 720p videos. Easily captures sharp and steady footage that looks great even when handheld. The intelligent optical image stabilization ensures your images are sharp and steady in any scenario. Perfect for shooting fast-moving subjects such as sports. Your shots will always be crystal clear. The Canon Camera Connect app utilises near-field communication and built-in Wi-Fi to connect to compatible devices. Take selfies and group shots remotely, then easily share your photos and videos with your friends and family. This Canon compact camera has an ultra-slim design, making it ideal for taking on holiday or travelling.
Whether you're out with friends or at a family party, the W830 compact camera gives you detailed photos and high-definition videos every time. The ergonomic grip makes photography a joy and the camera easy to operate. It's all in the detail. The high-resolution 20.1 megapixel image sensor effortlessly captures the beauty and excitement of any scene. Super HAD technology tightly packs millions of pixels in the image sensor to achieve vivid, high-resolution, extremely detailed imagery production. Built-in autofocus makes it easy to lock onto your subject for sharp, realistic results. Leave your camcorder at home. This versatile CyberShot compact camera gives you crisp, detailed, high-definition video capture and flawless digital sound. Simply switch to the movie mode to shoot smooth, blur-free video clips you can play back instantly to relive the moment with friends. Get closer to the action and remember your travels in stunning detail with a powerful 8x optical zoom. Capture everything from wide-angle landscapes to dramatic close-ups with a Carl Zeiss lens renowned for its clear and crisp picture quality, while Optical Steady Shot cuts the effect of shaky hands for blur-free stills. You can also rely on this camera's great auto functions, so no need for complicated controls if you want to point and shoot. Beauty Effect cleverly retouches your photos in an instant, removing skin blemishes and wrinkles for fresher, clearer, more flattering shots. Edit or retouch images on the fly before sharing with friends and family. The new image is saved alongside the old one, so you can still edit the original later. The W830 from Sony helps you get the best photos and video with its intelligent auto mode and high-quality imaging.